Hi everyone, this is Max from WR Websites, and today I want to show you how you can easily edit the meta tag and meta description for your collections page. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, click like, and if this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave me donations with link in the description. Okay, so let's start. So basically you want to edit the collection page, which looks like this URL, so collections. Okay, and you want to change here meta tag and meta title and meta description, which looks like this. Okay, so we explore the code, and meta title says collections and meta description say this. Okay, so you can't edit it with basic Shopify, so for it you need to use custom code. I found the answer for how to edit it right here in this topic, but it's not so clear how to do it, so I will show you what exactly you need. This is sample code, this is not exactly which you need, but each theme is different. Okay, so basically go to the your code. So go to online store, themes, click three dots and edit code. You will go to this page. From the left area, find theme.liquid file. So it looks like this. In your case, it will be something different, but in my case, it looks like this. Okay, and now you should check the code. So in my case, what you should looking for? You should looking for title and for description, obviously. So here is my title tag. Here it is. And here I can see meta description tag. Okay. So what you need to write is this code. I will put it in the description area under this video. Same where will be donations. And so basically, if can okay, I will do it like this so you see it better. Okay, and I do like this. Okay, so if canonical URL is paste your website here, so I will write directly paste your page URL and equal to this URL. Okay, so just like this, copy it and paste it here, and meta name description and write your meta description here. So write your description here. Okay, so if link equal to this one, like .com/collections, do this. In all other cases, we do the default part of theme. So, and if we should could, and in all other cases, we do this part. This part is part of my theme. So basically, my theme looked like this. Okay. Originally, my theme looked like this. I want the custom description. I found the description, meta description tag, and I put it right here. So if URL equal to my URL, I do this description. In all other cases where URL is different, I do default code. In the end of default code, please add the... So we see if page description, else if, and here we should add and if for our if. Okay, I hope it was not so difficult. So basically, if canonical URL equal to our URL, we do our description. In all other cases, we do our code from theme and if. That's all. If you want the same for title, please do same for title. So we would put this if canonical URL right here above the title. So if canonical URL equal to our, we do something like title and test title. Okay, we after click else. Where is it? Here, else. Okay, so if canonical URL equal to our URL, we do our custom title. In all other cases, we do this title and close our condition and if. Okay, should be something like this. Okay, my formatting sucks. Okay, so you see what we did here. This is our condition and this is our condition. This is our condition for description and this is our condition for description. I will leave the code in the description. If you will have some questions, ask me in comments. And have a nice day. I hope it will work for you.